10 Smart Kitchen Gadgets for Every Home 2025. Welcome to the future of cooking, where your kitchen isn't just a place to prepare meals. It's a hub of innovation that makes every task easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Imagine whipping up a gourmet dinner, creating the perfect cup of coffee, or shredding chicken in seconds, all with tools designed to elevate your culinary game. These smart kitchen gadgets are not just about convenience. They're about transforming your cooking experience into something extraordinary. Utalent 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. The Utalent 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is the Swiss Army knife of kitchen tools, perfect for blending, whisking, chopping, and even frothing. Its compact design hides an impressive level of power, capable of blending silky smooth soups, whipping up fluffy cream, or chopping vegetables with ease. With its detachable components, cleaning is a breeze, making it a time saver for busy kitchens. What sets this blender apart is its versatility. Imagine effortlessly preparing a gourmet meal without switching between multiple appliances. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the different attachments mean it can tackle everything from baby food to protein shakes. For anyone who values efficiency and functionality, this gadget is an absolute game changer. Bonetto Ice Cream Scoop. The Bonetto Ice Cream Scoop isn't just another utensil. It's a masterpiece in design and functionality. Crafted with a sturdy zinc alloy, it effortlessly glides through even the hardest ice cream, making those late-night cravings a delight to indulge. Its ergonomic handle fits perfectly in your hand, ensuring a comfortable and slip-free experience. Beyond scooping ice cream, this tool doubles as a handy kitchen assistant for portioning cookie dough, shaping meatballs, or even serving melons. Its durability means it's built to last, while its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to your utensil drawer. This simple yet smart gadget proves that even the smallest tools can bring immense joy to your kitchen. Uracify Expandable Dish Drying Rack. The Uracify Expandable Dish Drying Rack is a must-have for those who value organization and efficiency in the kitchen. Its expandable design adapts to your needs, fitting snugly over your sink or countertop to save space while providing ample room for dishes, glasses, and utensils to dry. Made from rust-resistant materials, it's as durable as it is practical. What makes this drying rack stand out is its clever features, such as an integrated cutlery holder and slots for plates and bowls. It transforms the mundane chore of dishwashing into a streamlined process, ensuring everything dries quickly and hygienically. With its sleek and modern design, it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen setup. Cuquiso Coffee Maker French Press. The Cuquiso Coffee Maker French Press is a dream come true for coffee lovers. This elegantly designed French press delivers rich, full-bodied coffee that's far superior to what you'd get from a traditional drip machine. Its heat-resistant borosilicate glass and stainless steel frame make it both durable and aesthetically pleasing, a perfect blend of form and function. Brewing coffee with this French press is an experience in itself. From the aroma of freshly ground beans to the satisfying press of the plunger, every step feels intentional and rewarding. Plus, its large capacity ensures you can make enough for the entire family or indulge in multiple cups yourself. It's a must-have for anyone who cherishes the art of coffee making. Moss and Stone Electric Crepe Maker. With the Moss and Stone Electric Crepe Maker, you can bring the magic of a Parisian cafe right into your home. This sleek and compact appliance heats up quickly, allowing you to make perfect crepes, pancakes, or tortillas with ease. Its non-stick surface ensures even cooking and hassle-free flipping, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned chefs. What's truly special about this gadget is its versatility. Whether you're crafting sweet crepes filled with Nutella and strawberries or savory wraps loaded with veggies and cheese, this crepe maker helps you achieve professional results every time. Its compact design also makes it easy to store, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Chef Andy Baby Food Maker. The Chef Andy Baby Food Maker is a lifesaver for parents looking to provide fresh, healthy meals for their little ones. This all-in-one device steams, blends, and reheats food, making meal prep a breeze. Its intuitive controls and safety features ensure a worry-free experience, giving parents peace of mind while saving precious time. What makes this gadget indispensable is its ability to preserve nutrients during cooking. From pureeing fruits and vegetables to preparing multi-textured meals as your baby grows, this device adapts to your child's changing needs. It's a smart investment that promotes healthy eating habits from the very beginning. Bayuni Chicken Shredder. The Bayuni Chicken Shredder takes the hassle out of preparing shredded chicken, pork, or beef for your favorite recipes. This compact and easy-to-use tool lets you shred meat in seconds, saving time and effort compared to using forks or knives. Simply place the cooked meat inside, close the lid, and twist. Your perfectly shredded meat is ready to go. This gadget is a game-changer for meal prep, allowing you to whip up tacos, sandwiches, or salads in no time. Its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze, and its durable construction ensures it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Sundico Butane Torch. The Sundico Butane Torch is a versatile tool that adds a touch of culinary finesse to your cooking. Ideal for caramelizing sugar on creme brulee, searing steaks, or melting cheese. This torch lets you achieve professional quality results with ease. Its adjustable flame control and refillable design make it both practical and user-friendly. Beyond the kitchen, this gadget proves its versatility by handling tasks like soldering, lighting candles, or even starting a campfire. Its compact size and ergonomic design make it a must-have for any home, combining functionality with a dash of fun. Kyoke Rotary Cheese Grater. The Kyoke Rotary Cheese Grater is a dream for anyone who loves cooking with fresh ingredients. Its easy-to-use design allows you to grate cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more in seconds, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. The non-slip base ensures stability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. This gadget stands out for its ability to transform everyday meals into gourmet dishes. Whether you're topping pasta with freshly grated Parmesan or creating a colorful salad, this grater ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and its dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. For vegetable julienne, slicing, and grinding, all functions in one piece of equipment means more room in your kitchen cupboards without mess. 3 interchangeable blades of the Cheese Shredder Rotary can satisfy you to cut food into the shape you want. Impava Portable Induction Hot Plate Cooktop. The Impava Portable Induction Hot Plate Cooktop brings power and precision to your kitchen. This compact yet powerful device heats up quickly, allowing you to cook meals efficiently without compromising on quality. Its digital controls let you adjust the temperature with precision, making it ideal for everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. What makes this cooktop truly special is its portability. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or cooking in a small space, this device adapts to your needs. Its energy-efficient design ensures you can cook smarter while saving on electricity, making it a practical and eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.